पब्लिक स्पीकर। फोन आ रहा है, वीडियो जा रहा है। राहुल गांधी की तरह। अब पढ़ेंगे, फिर से शुरू से नहीं पढ़ेंगे। पब्लिक स्पीकर। ए साइन ऑफ मोनोटोनी। If the record player in the adjoining apartment grayed out just 3 selections over overthinking, it is pretty safe to assume that your neighbors has no other record. It is a speaker use only a few of this power. It points very planting to the fact that the rest of power are not development. Monotony reveals our limitation in this effect on the victim. Monotony is actually deadly. It will derive and belong from a check and lustry from the eye and quickly as seen and often lead to visiousness. The birth punishment that human ingenuity has ever been able to invent is extreme monotony, solitary, confident.
हाँ तुम ठेकेदार हो वो अलग बात है, तुम बिजनेसमैन हो वो अलग बात है, वो अलग रिक्वायरमेंट है। लेकिन तुम स्टूडेंट हो, एस्पिरेंट।
So this thing the shorter life and is used as a cruel test and punishment in our prison. In the thing that we destroy all the life and force a peace, avoid it as you would soon a dead-lived dull board. The eyelids reach. You can half a dozen home. Command all the various of the good weather from the four corner of the earth and sail of Africa, Alaska, and their pleasure. But you poverty stricken man just walks to a take of a stair card. He does not have the choice of a car or special train. He must spend the most of his life in labor and be contact with the staple of the food market. Monotony is poverty, whether it is space in life. Stay in to increase the variety of your speech. The businessman labor to augment his wealth, but sound, forest, glen, and mountains are not monotonous. It is the long row or brown stone front and the milk to create a street that are so readily same. Nature is here. Wealth gives to endless variety. Man with his limitation is often monotonous. Greek back to natural in our method of speak making. The power of variety lie in the pleasure giving quality. The great trust of the world have often been brought in fascinating story. Miss Missy Labors, for instance, if you wish to take a influence man, you must please them first. A last stick the some notes of the over again. This will give you some idea of the displeasing, jarring effect. Monotonous has no the ear. The directory defect monotonous as being synonyms with by where some that is pulling it medley it is modeling. How to concue monotonous? Concue be obedient monotonous interest by replenishing our bathrobe. We avoid monotonous in a speech by multiplying our parts of a speech. We multiply our body to a speech by increasing our tools. Carpenter has a special implement with to construct the several parts of building. The originator has created key and stopped his the manipulation to produce his harmonious and effect. In like manner, the speaker and the certain instrument and tools at his command by which he build his agreement play on the feeling and guide the belief of the audience to give you a perception of those instruments and particle help to learning to us them in the purpose of immediation flowing chapter. Many speakers still use ox cart method in their speech instead of employer automobile or overload express method. They are ignorant of laws that make for efficiency in a speaker. Just to the extent that you regard and use the law that we are about to examine and learn how to use will you have efficiency and force in your work speaking, and just to the extent that you disregard them will your speaker to feeble and ineffective. We cannot impress too strongly upon you the necessity for a real working mastery of those principles. They are the very foundation of successful speaker. Successful speaker, you get your principles right, said Napoleon, and the rest of a manner of detail. It is useless to soak and deal our thoughts and all the sound principle in the bud will never make a live speech of the dead ones. So let's understand the public speaker is not a matter of mastering a few dead rules. The most important law of public speaker is the necessity of trust, force, feeling, and life. Forget all easily, but note this: when you have mastered the mechanism of speak out leading in the next few chapters, and you will no longer to trouble with monotony. The completely language of those principles and ability to apply them will give your great variety in your power of expression, but they cannot be mastered by applied by thinking. Yeah, reading about them. You must practice, practice, practice. If no one easily be listen to you, listen to yourself. You must always be on best critic and the severest one of all. The technical principles that we lay down in the following chapter are not arbitrary creation in our one. They are all foundation of the practice that good speaker and